You know what happened? 4th and 1. Surveys, good protection, slides, fires, broken up in the end zone. Gilmore on Sutton. So the defensive player of the year a couple of years back, and somehow, someway, the Indianapolis Colts, who took their first lead of the game on that field goal, pull out a 12-9 victory.
How fitting, the 11th year pro, the veteran, matched up against Sutton. Watch this at the end of the route, and there's the length again. Russell should know better than to try Stephon Gilmore. Tries to go, moves that arm angle down, tries to get around the pressure, but Gilmore again with the instincts to feel and then the closing speed to get that arm out there and knock it away.
Well, that'll make it a much more pleasant red eye back to Indianapolis tonight. Ryan, I mean, go figure. They win the game 12-9, 7 field goals. Well,